Here is a review of the Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. Firstly, this tool feels robust. It helps electricians and hobbyists alike. The Fluke 117 Auto AC/DC Min, Max, AVG handles many tasks. It is like a keen detective. It finds hidden electrical issues. Non-contact AC voltage detection is a key feature. This makes testing safer and quicker. You do not touch live wires. Also, it measures resistance. Furthermore, it checks continuity. It is truly a versatile device. This multimeter proves very reliable. Thus, it is a great choice. Secondly, this meter performs many measurements. It reads frequency and capacitance too. It also captures min, max, and average readings. This helps to spot fluctuations. Moreover, its automatic AC/DC voltage selection is clever. You don't guess the current type. The low impedance mode is useful. It prevents ghost voltages. Therefore, it gives accurate readings. The Fluke 117 Auto AC/DC Min, Max, AVG is intelligent. It simplifies complex electrical work. Indeed, this feature saves time. Consequently, it boosts confidence. Finally, using this multimeter is simple. Its display is clear and bright. It feels comfortable in your hand. This device is built to last. It is like a trusty companion. The Fluke 117 Auto AC/DC Min, Max, AVG is a solid investment. It offers great value. Overall, it is highly recommended. It handles tough jobs well. Hence, it is a top-tier tool. Pros: brick crap house of DMMs, ghost voltages, volt alert, one-way features. Fluke 117 multimeter, non-contact voltage detection, measures resistance, checks continuity, measures frequency, measures capacitance, records min, max, AVG, auto AC/DC voltage select, low impedance mode, digital display. The Fluke 117 digital multimeter is a handy tool that helps you check electricity. It can find AC voltage without even touching the wire, which is a neat safety feature. This meter also measures how much things resist electricity. If a wire is connected all the way through, how fast electricity is wiggling, frequency, and how much charge something can hold. Capacitance. It can even keep track of the smallest, largest, and average measurements. Plus, it automatically figures out if you're checking AC or DC voltage. And it has a special mode for checking low impedance circuits. All of its readings are shown on a digital screen. The Fluke 117 is a digital multimeter, which is a tool used to measure electricity. It has a special feature called volt alert that can find AC voltage without touching it. This multimeter can measure things like resistance, continuity, if a circuit is complete, frequency, how fast electricity moves, and capacitance, how much energy an object can store. It can also automatically figure out if the electricity is AC or DC. One useful mode is the low impedance mode, which helps to avoid ghost voltages, fake readings. That can happen sometimes. However, some people might find it limited because it only measures electricity in one direction.